guys, today's video is a vlog style video, so I'm just gonna kind of jump right into it. Not doing anything too special today, but I thought I'd just take you along. I have no makeup on right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and just put a little bit of that on, and I think I'm gonna go grocery shopping. I'll just kind of take you along with me. So I'm gonna go ahead, stop talking, and get into my makeup routine. That's it for my makeup. It's very simple, very easy, quick. Like you guys saw, I mean, I sped it up, but it only took me about 10 minutes to do this whole makeup look. I just used my Jekyll & Hyde palette. This one is so loved. I use it every single day because you can do, anything you want with these colors. So have our makeup done. I'm gonna go ahead and put in these earrings. And then I think you saw my little Remy boy pop in. Oh, there he is, speaking of. Hi, buddy. How you doing? So here's my outfit of the day. It is super simple, really casual, just good for running around. I've got my gray spaghetti strap shirt. I have just this little cardigan to go over it because it is a little chilly in Florida today. Yet at the same time, I know it's gonna get like really warm later on. So that's why I have my shorts on. And then I have, of course, my Converse. These are my favorites of life. So yeah, here's just my little casual outfit of the day. All right, so I have this treat. I put this little like chew bone inside of his Kong with 2 little treats inside, and it keeps him busy for a while. Hey, are you ready? Excuse me. Please sit. Yes. Okay, come follow me so we can have our treat over here. Come on. Good boy. Okay, Remy, sit. Yes, lay down. Good job. Have fun. Wow. I tell everyone that now you have pretty much all your big boy teeth. So we've lost a lot of teeth the past couple weeks, and they've come in real big. Enjoy, puppy. Okay, so before I go to the grocery store, I like to always have a list with me. So I've just kind of written this down. Usually throughout the week we write down things that we need or that we ran out of, but we didn't do that this week. So I'm kind of just going through the refrigerator, the freezer, our cabinets, just to make sure that I have everything. And also, I think I'm gonna make this recipe today. I think that'll be fun. So I'm just making sure that I have everything. Eggs, flour, baking soda, brown sugar. Yeah, pretty sure I already have all of these things, but I'll double check before I leave, and that'll be really good. So I don't know if you guys do that beforehand, but that's always a good way to stay on track and not buy things that you don't really need. I'm in the car, and I wanted to show you a couple things before I get driving. Number one, let me see if I can switch you over. I always have my mask with me and some hand sanitizer, which I always had hand sanitizer. You just need that. But also wanted to show you guys this. So my car is a little bit older. It's a 2011, and I don't have like any of these fancy gadgets. So my husband got this Alexa, and then you can, oh, you hear her? Alexa, play Dan and Shay Radio on Pandora.
Dan and Shay Radio from Pandora.
Guys. So now I can have cool music while I'm driving. Since I don't. All right, you guys. I look a little bit funny, but I'm in my mask and I'm ready to go. I love strawberry stuffing the It's perfect for a strawberry spinach feta salad. I'm gonna get 2 of these. They're giant, goodness. They look good. The best ever. I love them so much. This is not on the list, but it all looks so good. Spinach and garlic. That looks really good. $3.29, and this is $3.29 too. Mozzarella cherry, tomato and arugula. I think I'll go ahead and try this one. These are really great for like quick lunches where you don't need to think about it. So anyways, try that. Okay guys, we're done. That was it. Now, on the thing. Hello? Oh my goodness. Who's that? Hi, bud. Did you miss me? Did you miss me? Hi. Hi. Look at that tail. Hi, honey. Let me put this up. Hi. Hello. Oh my god. Is it lunchtime? Go get your lunch. Go eat. Are you a blue wilderness kind of guy? Does this food bring out the wolf in you? Yummy. Okay, so here is what I got. So for fruit, we go through fruit pretty fast here. So I've just got some grapes, apples. I have lemons because I'm obsessed with lemonade right now, lemon water. We have our strawberries, which I'm going to be making a strawberry spinach salad with the feta cheese and some walnuts that I already have. I'm going to be doing a chicken pho recipe. So I've got some cilantro, green onions, and I already have the rice noodles. I have, just some things to snack on. Some yogurt. We have tuna. My husband loves to make tuna. I've got the graham crackers, all that stuff like I said. Milk, a little bit of wine. I don't drink, but my husband enjoys red wine, and that's really cheap at Aldi, but he says it's pretty good. We've got some Brussels sprouts for veggies. I already have some other vegetables in the fridge. And then these, I never tried these, but they're diced hash browns, potatoes. So we're gonna try that for breakfast. We have this that you guys saw. Got some skirt steak. This was good. It was a good price, I thought. $7.71 is just over a pound. Like, skirt steak is never cheap. So not that that was cheap, but it was a good price, I thought. So that's just what we got for today's grocery. So okay, I'll show you guys how I kind of organize the fridge. So over here I've got fruits. Over here it's mostly, well, it's all vegetables. Over here is tomato, specialty cheeses, and then meats. And also like mozzarella and cheddar back there. For the freezer, I keep mostly chicken and like other things over here, but because we have so much ice cream, I had to move 2 of the red meats. So I do like chicken, fish, and like bread kind of things, like potatoes, like that's over here. And then usually this is all red meat plus 2 ice cream gallons. But like I said, there's not enough room, so I put some of these meats here. And then down up there is kind of like a hodgepodge. Like this is mostly frozen vegetables, and this is mostly frozen fruits for, sorry guys, frozen fruits back there for smoothies. But, you know, we kind of stocked up a little bit with this coronavirus. I mean, not obviously crazy, but, you know, have maybe a little more chicken than necessary. And then our fridge is not totally organized. I need to kind of go through it, but this is where we have some of our creams, and then yogurt. We have lots of milk in case we have like smoothies or anything like that. Plus, because it's lactose free, it lasts a while. So I've got some fruit here. We don't drink pop. It came with our pizza order, and so that's been there for like weeks. Some more fruit here. We have eggs, bread, and this is just kind of a hodgepodge over there too. It just needs to be kind of organized a little bit better, but for now, just kind of threw everything in there. These are like salsas, and then our giant mayonnaise over here, our condiments, and then these are just stuff to like cook with, like garlic, ginger, soy sauce, some beans. So yeah, that's a little tour of my fridge, impromptu. Okay guys, we're going to make the Joanna Gaines chocolate chip cookies. I've done it once before. They were so amazing, so I'm going to do it again. I have the recipe here on my phone. I got it off Pinterest. I'll leave it down in the description box below for you, but it calls for 2 eggs. Got my 2 eggs. It has 2.5 cups of flour, baking soda, 2 cups of brown sugar. We got our chocolate chips. We have some sea salt, vanilla, and room temperature butter. So let's go ahead and get started. So this is all set, our dough is ready. I'm gonna go ahead, turn on my oven to 350. It warms up really fast, which is why I wait until this point to turn it on. Get my cookie sheet and then make these dough balls. The oven just beeped. We have 12 cookies on here. I already tasted the batter. Do yourself a favor, taste the batter. The dough is so good. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in for 11 minutes.
11 minutes later.
Ready to go outside? Yeah? We're gonna go play? Yes, we are, you good boy. So, I'm gonna show you guys this super funny but very practical fanny pack for like fur parents. It's so great. So, I actually keep his treats down in here. Yes. Hi. Can you speak? Speak. Yeah, good boy. So I keep his treats down in here, and then on the other side has like his little poop bags. You can put like stuff here, like your keys or whatever. It has a zipper here. It's just really nice for when you go on walks or when you're going outside in the backyard. It's really great for training. So since I have his treats in here, I'm able to take him out in the backyard, teach him to come, really practice some of our skills. Hey, buddy. So that's what we're going to do right now. We're going to go potty, and then we're going to do some playing. You ready? Okay, let's go outside. Come on, honey. Yes. Let's go this way. You ready, hon? Okay, let's go. Good boy. Okay, go potty outside. It's literally the most beautiful day. Oh my gosh, that pool looks super inviting. How these cookies turned out. Oh my gosh, they're ready to be eaten. I may or may not have split 1 in half with my husband already. Can you blame me? Look how good these look.